If you're one of the 30 million plus car owners driving the busy roads of Britain each day, wanting to keep yourself safe and avoid becoming the victim of unfair claims on your car insurance, then it'd probably be a pretty good idea if you are rocking one of KENWOOD's award-winning dash cams. Like the feature-packed DRV-A501W, a quality wide quad HD camera with Wi-Fi to easily grab your footage and a quick-release magnetic mount. It's ideal for plug and play. Polarised Filter reduces glare in all weather, come rain or shine, with a 126-degree viewing angle, large 3-inch screen, HDR and GPS, giving you the right location, date and time of any incident. When fitted with the optional hardwire kit, stop-start technology and intelligent parking mode are added. There's nothing much worse than returning from the shops to your, no doubt impeccably parked car, only to find someone's done a hit and run. Oh yeah, and it records sound too. With smart parking mode, if your vehicle has been hit, your dashcam will help you show who's responsible. You can also add a rear view camera to give you complete peace of mind. The KENWOOD DRV-A501W dashcam. It will never miss a thing. For our latest offers and some great value bundle deals, visit kenwoodshop.co.uk for more details.